Ano ba?
Tingnan niyo yung nangyayari sa ulo ko.
I think I'm crazy. Way I've been craving. If I put it quite plainly, just give me the maybe.
Hey there, it's Dana and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So for today's video, I'll be coloring my super duper black and makapal hair without any bleach, okay? And actually, this is my first time na magkulay ng buhok and DIY pa kasi wala akong pera pampasalon. And balita ko medyo mahal daw siya. Kaya DIY na lang muna tayo ngayon. I'll be using this product. It is the LifeStrong Hairfix Natural Permanent Hair Color Cream for men and women. Diba? Yung endorser pala nila is si Kim Chu. Nakalagay dito na it has triple oil complex enriched with natural ingredients, argan oil, olive oil, almond oil extract. 100% gray hair coverage for healthier hair and scalp, naturally vibrant and long-lasting color. It says also that it is phthalate and ammonia-free. Nakalagay dito sa box yung mga claims, ganon. And I'm so happy kasi meron talaga akong pinagpipilian doon na iba't ibang brand and wala silang nakalagay na ganito. Hindi ko sure kung magiging effective ba siya kahit sa ganitong ang kulay ng buhok ko, black na musim black nung damit ko. Nakalagay dito na kung black hair ka, may pagbabago naman. Pag blonde is magiging light blonde ka. At pag naka-bleach ka naman is, yun talaga yung pinaka-hair color niya. It says also that it has a complete hair coloring kit kasi meron siyang 100 ml colorant, developer, 20 ml hair treatment with free gloves, mixing tray, and shower cap. And for its directions for use, put on plastic gloves and cover your shoulders with an apron or cloth to avoid stain. Thoroughly mix the Hairfix pala! Hairfix ako ng Hairfix. Kakanood ng Netflix. Hairfix pala. Wala pala siyang air. Hairfix pala. So, put on plastic gloves and cover your shoulders with an apron or cloth to avoid stain. Thoroughly mix the Hairfix natural colorant and developer. Match 1:1 equally into the mixing tray. With dry hair, apply the Hairfix natural cream mixture evenly. Start with gray roots or gray areas of the hair. Leave the mixture for 20 to 25 minutes to develop the color. Do not massage the mixture on your scalp. Oh, okay. Rinse hair thoroughly with water and wash off the excess mixture. Then use Hairfix treatment to keep your hair soft and silky. Ano daw? Mix the natural colorant and developer. Rinse hair. Wow! Ang pretty niya. Kala mo naman first time kong binuksan. Ito, oh. Ang ganda. Color green siya. Super fresh sa mata. We have here the hair colorant, 100 ml. Ang ganda niya. Ang bango din. Tapos, meron din tayong developer na 100% 100 ml din. And ito yung hair treatment nila na 20 ml lang. Tapos ito yung shower cap and gloves. So, ang una daw natin gagawin is paghahaluin natin yung hair colorant and hair developer. Yun lang daw, dalawa yung paghahaluin. Akala ko kasi kasama ito sa paghahalo, pero pagkatapos pa pala yung banlawan. Munti ka na ako magkamali. Buti na lang nagbabasa ako ng direksyon. Mukhang ice cream. Tingnan mo naman ang dugyot talaga ni ate girl. Meron na agad kulay ang balat na una pa sa buhok.
Eventually.
Hindi ako marunong magkulay. Paano ba? Ayun. Hindi ako marunong. Siguro, gaganito ko muna. At dahil mahirap lang tayo, garbage bag ang gagamitin nating apron. Mukha naman siyang salon, di ba? Naging ganito na yung kulay niya, nagiging brown na siya, so kailangan ko na talaga magmadali. Uy, medyo mainit siya. Pag hinawakan mo ng kamay, medyo mainit. I don't know why, kung bakit. Kasi nga, chemical nga ito, di ba? Alam mo yon, yung gusto ko magkulay ng buhok kahit na kulay black. Kasi, gusto ko yung buhok ko pag natatamaan ng araw, may kulay. Shit! Bakit ano, ote? Uy, ang hapdi niya sa balat. Serious talk. Nakakaloka, te. Anong ginagawa ko? Ano ba?
Tapos na yung 25 minutes and magbabanlaw na ako gamit to.
Later.
So, ayun, finally, tapos na akong magbanlaw and tignan niyo yung nangyayari sa ulo ko! Hindi ko alam kung magiging masaya ba ako, malungkot, or ewan. And all that I can say is effective yung ginamit ko na Hairfix. Talagang kahit walang bleach o prominent yung kulay niya, kahit try natin walang ilaw. Ay, joke! Hindi, ay. I highly recommend this hair color kung gusto mo ng permanent hair color for your hair. Talagang kakulay siya nito. So, hindi siya nagsinungaling sa part na yun. You're probably with that blonde girl. Blonde girl ang tuktok ng ulo. Ito talagang kulay na kulay talaga siya. Sana nag-enjoy kayo sa hair coloring DIY na to. Oh! So, dito pala na kulay. Ah, kita nyo? Kita nyo yun? May kulay talaga siya. I'll be inserting my pictures na lang here. So, that's it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!
I'll be such an imposition's